All right, we're going to learn a scale called the pentatonic scale. Pentatonic scale is super useful because you can use it to improvise on blues, rock music, anything soulful you can use the pentatonic scale on. And it's basically 5 notes, and then it starts again and repeats those 5 notes in an upper octave. Okay, and it fits nicely under the hands. That's why it's a really commonly used scale on the guitar. So let's learn how to play the pentatonic scale. You're going to put your first finger on the 6th string in the 5th fret. That's the first note. That's the note A. We're going to play the A pentatonic. Okay, and so first finger, and on that same string, the next note's going to be your 4th finger. Okay, so again, on the 6th string, first finger on the 5th fret, 4th finger in the 8th fret. Now, you'll notice that I have 1 finger per fret. It's really important to keep your technique in line, where you're always putting, when you play 4th finger, you're putting the other fingers down. You don't always have to do that forever, but I think it's a good idea when you're training your fingers where to go. When you put 4th finger down, try to put all 4 down. Plus, the other advantage is if you want to bend a note, you get extra strength because you have more fingers to pull. Okay? First finger on the 5th fret, 4th finger on the 8th fret of that 6th string. Let's try it again. 1st, 4th, go back and forth. Okay? So those are the first 2 notes. Now it's going to get easier after that. So 1 and 1, first finger on the 5th fret, 4th finger on the 8th fret. Now we're going to go to the next string. So we're going to go to the 5th string, and you just play the 5th fret on the 5th string. And then on this string, instead of our pinky, for the next note, we're going to use our 3rd finger. So really it's 1, 4, 1, 3. Those are the fingerings. Let's try it out. Start on the 6th string. 1, 4. Now you're going to go 1, 3. 1, 3. Let's try that again. On the 6th string. 1, 4. Now go to the 5th string. 1, 3. Go to the 4th string, and we're going to do the same thing. We're going to do 1, 3 again. Let's try the whole thing. 1, 4. Now next string. 1, 3. Now 1, 3 on the 4th string. 1, 3. And you guessed it, when we go to the 3rd string, we do 1, 3 again. So we had 1, 4 and 3 1, 3s. So let's play it together. 1 on the 6th string, then your 4th finger. Remember, keep all your fingers in place. Next string, 1st, then 3rd on that string, then 1st on the next string, 3rd. Now the next string, you do the same thing, 1st and 3rd. Now, when we get to the next 2 strings, they both go back to 1, 4. So on the 2nd string, you're going to go 1, find that note, then 4. Okay, and then the 1st string is 1, 4, 2. And then I always like when you come back to 1, because that's the root. So I always want you to go 1, 1, 4, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 4, 1. That's kind of the idea, okay? Watch my hands one more time. 1, 4, and then 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, and then 2 1, 4s. 1, 4, 1, 4, 1. And I'm putting a little vibrato. I'm just sort of shaking that note, pulling it up a little bit, okay? All right, so let's play it slow together. Ready? Start on the 6th string, 5th fret, 1st finger, then 4th finger on the 8th fret, 1st finger on the next string in the 5th fret, then 3rd finger on that string, 1st, 3rd on the 4th string. Now we're on the 3rd string, 1st and 3rd again. Now we get to our 1, 4s. 2nd string is 1, 4, 1st string is 1, 4, and you land back on 1. So if somebody's playing over blues, the idea with the pentatonic scale is you can use any of those notes in there, and if you play with good rhythm, they're going to sound good. And I added a couple bends and I added one extra little bluesy note in there, but that's the idea. Okay, very soulful scale. Let's practice one more time. We're going to go up, and when we get to the top, we're going to come down. So 1, here we go. 1, 4, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 4, 1. Now when we come down, let's start on 4. 4, 1. Try it again. 4, 1. And then on the next string, we're going to do 4, 1. 4, 1, because we're coming down backwards, right? Coming down. Then 3, 1. 3, 1. Then 3, 1. Then 3, 1. Then 4, 1. So coming down, 4, 1, 4, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1. Let's try the whole scale one more time together. Ready? 1, 4, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3. Here comes the 1 4s. 1, 4, 1, 4, 1. 4, 1, 4, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 4, 3, 1, 4, 1. Okay, so once you get so you can play the scale up and down, try to play 2 notes on each. And one other thing about your right hand technique is I would try to keep mostly using your wrist in this motion, not jumping around like this, okay? So keep your top of your hand kind of parallel to the guitar, okay? And as much as you can. And you're going to go, when you do 2s, you're going to go down, up, always alternate. Okay, play slowly. The more you play slowly, the faster you're going to be able to play. Once you do 2s, you could try 3s. Down, then it's up. So the interesting thing is each note starts with the opposite of what came before. Down, up, watch. Down, up, down, up, down, up. So if you have a buddy and your buddy can play the blues now, you can start to play up and down that scale over the top of the blues. Okay, pentatonic scale. Spent a lot of time on that.